Hello, this is Angeline here. Today I have a fun quick tip to share with you on how I use some glimmer paste on some metallic cardstock. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute doggy from the Loyally Yours Unity Stamp Kit. And here I'm grabbing some silver metallic cardstock along with some brick stencil and my Nuvo glimmer paste. So first, place your stencil over your cardstock wherever you like, and if you prefer, you could secure it with some painter's tape or some washi tape, but I guess it will work without it. So I'm grabbing my palette knife and applying an even layer of my Nuvo glimmer paste on my cardstock and trying not to get anything underneath the stencil. What I like about this Nuvo glimmer paste is that it is glimmery and shining, and it dries fairly quickly too. Just check out the card. The glimmer paste on the metallic is a nice contrast and a really nice effect to add to your card. So here is my finished card with the cute doggy on it. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!